We are discussing addition and subtraction of mixed fractions with dissimilar fractions. Okay. So the first rule in adding dissimilar fractions is to rewrite the fractional parts to similar fractions, meaning to rewrite the dissimilar fraction into similar fractions, to change dissimilar fraction into similar fractions. Okay, so we will have 2 and 1/4, our first fraction, plus 3 and 1/2, our second fraction, minus 2 and 1/3, our third fraction. So, have you noticed, class, na ang ating denominators ay magkaiba? They have different denominators. Ibig sabihin, if they have different denominators, ang fraction natin ay dissimilar. Hindi sila pareho. They are dissimilar fractions because they have different denominators. So the denominator of the first fraction is 4. And the denominator of the second fraction is 2. Then the denominator of the third fraction is 3. So ang unang gagawin natin dyan is to get the LCD or the least common denominator. So para makuha ang least common denominator, we will have to apply the LCM or least common multiple. Ulitin ko, sa pagkuha ng least common multiple ay mayroong tatlong methods. We have listing method, factor 3, at mayroon din tayong decomposition or continuous division method. Pero sa ngayon, ang gagamitin natin is listing method para maipakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin makuha ang lahat ng products or multiples ng given denominators. First denominator is 4. So the multiples of 4 are 4 itself, ang kanyang sarili. Bakit? 4 times 1 is 4. So wag natin kalimutan gamitin palagi ang 4. Bakit? Kasi 4 is one of the factor para makuha ang kanyang mga products. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4, and then second multiple is 8, which is 4 times 2. And then 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. Next is 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. The first multiple of 2 is 2 itself, yung sarili niya. So next, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. And 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. So, bakit nakaabot na sa 12? Gusto kong makuha ang dalawang multiple, ang common multiples na denominators na ito. So, nakita natin mayroon ng 12 at saka 24. So, let's check doon sa 3 kung may makuha din tayo. Next, the first denominator, first multiple of 3 is 3 itself. Bakit? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. And 3 times 8 is 24. So, nandito na yung dalawang multiples. So, among these multiples of 4, 2, and 3, mayroon tayong common multiples. Ano yung common multiples? Yung makikita natin sa tatlong number na ito. Sa tatlong factors na ito. Itong 4, 2, and 3. So, 4 has 12 and 24. Ang 2 naman ay mayroong 12 and 24. And also, ang 3 ay mayroon ding 12 and 24. So, the common multiples are 12, 24, so on and so forth. Kapag ipagpatuloy natin yan, marami pa yung multiples na makukuha. Kaya lang dalawa is enough na. Next is the LCM. Among these common multiples, kukunin natin ang least common multiple. So, the least common multiple of 3, 4, and 2 is 12. Ayan, nakikita naman natin sa 12 and 24, ang pinakamaliit is 12. Therefore, itong LCM na ito ito rin ang magiging LCD. Ito ng ating least common denominator. Alright. Next rule is to rewrite the fractional parts to similar fractions. Yan. Rewrite the fractional parts to similar fractions. Okay. So 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/2 minus 2 and 1/3. We will have to rewrite. Ibig sabihin, we will have to change this dissimilar fraction into similar fraction using LCD, which is 12. Alright. So, gagawin natin, ilagay na natin kaagad ang LCD na 12. Unang gawin, first is, we have to divide 12 by the first denominator of the first fraction. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then, times the numerator, which is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Next, second fraction is 3 and 1/2. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then, 6 times 1 is 6. Next, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then, 4 times 1 will give us 4. Now, the new fractions are 2 and 3 over 12, 3 and 6 over 12, and 2 and 4 over 12. Alright. Next rule, regroup similar fractions if necessary. Then perform the indicated operation. I-regroup na natin ang similar fractions and then perform the indicated operation. Anong sinabi dito? If necessary. Kung kailangan lang i-regroup. So, kailan natin siya i-regroup? Kapag hindi natin kayang i-subtract ang dalawang numerator. So, sa tingin natin, itong fractions na ito ay kaya naman nating bawasan. Bakit? Ang first numerator ay 3 at ang 6 kapag i-plus na natin yan, magiging 9, which is greater than 4. Kaya, no need na to regroup. So, first is, we have to add these two fractions. 3 plus 6 is, kukunin muna natin or ilagay muna natin ang denominator, which is 12. So, 3 plus 6 is 9. Then 2 plus 3, the whole number, is 5. Now, the new fraction is 5 and 9 over 12. Kopyahin natin ang common denominator. Not 12. Alright? So, 5 and 9 over 12. Minus, the third fraction is 2 and 4 over 12. Ayan. So, ang gagawin na naman natin, we have to subtract 9 by 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. Then copy the common denominator. Alright, so the answer is 3 and 5 over 12. And the next rule, write the answer in lowest terms if possible. Kung posible lang. But 3 and 5 over 12 is already in the lowest term. Bakit? Wala ng greatest common factor ng 5 and 12. Bakit? Ang factors ng 5 is 5 and 1, while the factors of 12 ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Wala tayong makikitang common factors ng 5 and 12 maliban lang sa 1. Kaya 3 and 5 over 12 is already in the lowest term. Thank you very much and God bless everyone.